Are you a fan of marshmallows? What is your favorite part about them, their texture, or their sugary sweetness? With this recipe, you will be able to take the things you love about them to your baking, including them on your frosting. This is the best marshmallow frosting recipe from scratch you can find. This type of frosting is different from classic American-style buttercream, but still incredibly delicious. You will get a fluffier texture that is perfect for piping on cupcakes or filling your favorite sponge. As a decoration, it can be torched to give the perfect look. How to make this marshmallow frosting recipe. This recipe will make enough frosting to decorate 18 cupcakes. It will take you around half an hour to make because there is some cooking involved. Ingredients: 2 large egg whites, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons light corn syrup, 1/3 cup cold water, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 2 cups of marshmallows. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Separate the egg whites from the yolks, making sure that no yolk is mixed in with the whites. Step 2. Inside a heat-safe bowl, beat the whites together with the corn syrup, sugar, and water for 1 minute until everything is combined. Make sure the inside of the bowl where you are mixing is totally dry before adding the ingredients. Step 3. Set up a double boiler. You will need a pot with boiling water on top of where you can put the heat-safe bowl you were using in Step 2. This will help the sugar dissolve into the egg whites, heating them without cooking them through. Step 4. Place the heat-safe bowl on top of the pot with boiling water, making sure the boiling water does not touch the bottom of the container. Beat with an electric mixer for 7 to 8 minutes on medium. Step 5. Add in the vanilla extract and the marshmallows. Beat for another 2 minutes on high, but make sure you check the consistency. You need to achieve stiff peaks that look glossy. Stiff peaks mean that the meringue holds the peak without it falling over. Do not stop early, keep whisking until it looks right. And the frosting is done. Make sure to use it immediately after it is made, as it is best that way. If you try to freeze it for later, it will separate. Tips and tricks. Once you have decorated with it, you could torch it and it will be able to hold up in the fridge for a few days. To do this, you would need a culinary torch, like the ones professionals use, but do not be afraid as it is quite simple to use. To decorate with it, you can pipe it onto anything. Remember not to use any special tip, as it can only take simple piping. You can cut the corner off a Ziploc bag too if you do not have any piping bags on hand. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.